Yeah, real wagwan. I have a story. Jano, it's the boy when you Larry. Police are gonna look for you. And you go, sorry. Me give boy me carry the other day, you know. And the boy give me back hot. Crazy. Me have to report you to the world. I go, sorry boy Larry. Check it out. I fear really there. Look on it. You're hot.
Excavator moving. Look well brand new and Chris, you see it? Hard work for Matt set up for you look so brand new, brother. No joke. You see me? They upon it, you see it? Alright, so that well clean and outstanding, you see me? And boy work to spray the machine. Fit, you see me? Guess what? It's tuning. Larry Pro spray, you see me? It's tuning on the channel. See, support it. Boss up in there. You see it? Bad operator, you see me? See me tied up. You see it? You know we do it dirt already. Whoever out here, you see me? Yeah. So ready to move and move off. Out here. And guess what guys, a 3 day me take a match this. Believe me man, 3 day me take a match so this, you see me? Yeah. So it look brand new. Sorry me never get to take some picture it look before, but like that. You see me? Fast and turn, you see it? Fast and up on the top we need some more with it, you know, you see me? Up and running. Machine pretty and clean, brother. You see me? So guess what, whoever out there keeping the good work going, you see me? Yeah. So if you want your thing to look good, just link up Larry, you see me? Yeah man. Thing them ever shot. Car, anything where you can think of from me that. Yeah. One person.